Welcome students. The last class we have seen how to find the solution of the linear equation by elimination method. So today we are going to learn how to find out the solution of the linear equation by substitution method. That is the second method, which is called as the substitution method. So here whenever in the exam the problems are asked, you can use any method to solve it if no method is specified. So for the substitution method, you need to find out the value of any one of the variable and substitute in the other equation. So we'll see how to work out by substitution method. So practice set 5.1, third problem, second sub question. So you have got 2x plus y is equal to 5 and you have got 3x minus y is equal to 5. So these are the two equations given. So here we will consider this as the first equation, we will consider this as the second equation. So here in substitution method, what you are supposed to do here is, you have to find out the value of any one of the variable and find out what is the substitute in the other equation. So what I will do here is, I will take the first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 5. From this equation, I will find out what is the value of y. So to find out the value of y, I have to take 2x to the other side. So I will get this as 5 minus 2x. So from the first equation, I have found out what is the value of y by taking 2x to the other side. So I have got it as 5 minus 2x. Now you can consider this as the third equation. Now this value of y what you have got, you have to substitute in the second equation. If you are getting the value of y from the first equation, this y should be substituted in the second equation. Suppose if you are finding out the value of y from the second equation, then substitute in the first equation. Don't substitute in the same equation from which you have found out the value of the variable. Substitute y is equal to 5 minus 2x in equation 2. This is first equation. So you have to substitute in the second equation. So what is second equation? 3x minus y is equal to 5. Now from here, 3x write it as it is. This minus sign put it as it is. And y is 5 minus 2x is equal to 5. Now open the bracket, 3x minus 5 plus minus into minus is plus, 2x is equal to 5. So now here you get 3x plus 2x is 5x. Then take 5 to the other side, 5 plus 5 you will get it as 10. So you get the value of x is equal to 10 upon 5, which is equal to 2. So I have got the value of x. Now this value of x what you have got, you can directly substitute in the third equation and find out what is the value of y. Substitute x is equal to 2 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? Y is equal to 5 minus 2x is the equation. So you get y is equal to 5 minus 2. So you get y is equal to 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So you have got y is equal to 1. So then you write the final statement. Therefore 2 comma 1 is the solution of the equation. So this completes the problem. So here what you are doing is substituting. You are getting the value of variable from one equation and substituting in the other equation. We'll take one more problem and see how to do it. Third sub question, fifth problem. You have got 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Plus 4 equal to 0. Consider it as the first equation. X minus 5y is equal to 11. So these are the two equations given. So this is, consider first this as a second equation. Now here from this you have to find out value of any one of the variable and substitute in the other. So here everything you have got the coefficient, both the values you have got coefficient. Here you don't have the coefficient. So what I'll do is, I'll find the value of x from this equation and substitute in the first equation. So what is the equation you have got? Second equation, x minus 5y is equal to 11. Now to find out the value of x, take 5y to the other side, you will get it as 11 plus 5y. So whenever you are doing by substitution method, whichever is having 1 as a coefficient, take that equation and find out its variable. Find out the variable where you have got 1 as a coefficient, so that you don't get any fraction when you are doing the simplification. Now this, consider it as the third equation. Substitute x is equal to 11 plus 5y in equation. Now you have got the value of x from the second equation, so you have to substitute in the first equation, in equation 1. So what you get, 2 bracket, directly I am substituting 11 plus 5y. So in place of x I have to write it as 11 plus 5y plus 3y as it is plus 4 equal to 0. Now open the bracket, 22 plus 10y plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 10y plus 3y, I get it as 13y. 22 plus 4 is 26. 26 I will take to the other side, I will get it as minus 26. So you get value of y is equal to 13 2s, so you get y is equal to minus 2. 26 upon 13, so you get minus 2. Now substitute this, y equal to minus 2 in equation 3. So in equation 3, when you substitute, you will get x is equal to 11 plus 5 into minus 2. So you get x is equal to 11 minus 10. So you get value of x is equal to 1. So therefore the solution will be 1 comma minus 2 is the solution. So this is called as the substitution method. This completes the problem. Students, now let us see what we are going to learn in the first exercise, that is practice set 5.1. The first question is, by using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equations in 2 variables. So in practice set you have got 5.5, the first question. They have asked you to find out or frame any 5 linear equations in 2 variables using the variable as x and y. So what you have to do is, you have to use the variable x and y, and you have to frame any 5 linear equations. So like this you go on changing the coefficients of x and y and form 5 linear equations. The other one you can write x plus 5y is equal to 2. Then write 5x plus 2y equal to 7. So like this, frame 5 equations, linear equations, using the variable as x and y. So that is the first question. Second question they have asked, write 5 solutions of the equation x plus y is equal to 7. So they given an equation x plus y is equal to 7. You have to write any 5 solutions. So to write any 5 solutions, you give value for any one of the variable and find out the value of the other variable. So now let us take the value of x as 2. You can take any value, you can take positive, negative, any value you can take. So when you take the value of x as 2, you get 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now take 2 to the other side, you get y is equal to 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So the first solution will be 2 comma 5 is the solution. So like this you have to give different values for x and find out the value of y. So like that you have to write 5 solutions you have to write for this equation. So when one single equation is given and they have asked you to find out the solution for it, you have to give value for any one of the variable and find the value of the other variable. So like this you have to find out 5 solutions for it.